What's up, guys? Mr. Alan C here with the 5-inch SEYVUM wireless cordless chainsaw. Let's see what's in the box. Headed for this one. Man. Alright. I already see a big carrying case. Alright, so in the box I see a saw chain right off the bat. I'm thinking this is probably an extra one. We'll find that out in a minute. We got some gloves to help protect your hands from getting beat up. Always exercise caution when using a chainsaw, obviously. Right here we have a rechargeable battery. That's right, this is cordless, and you don't need to put batteries in here. You got a rechargeable one included from SEYVUM. Now we got the warranty and instruction manual. A second rechargeable battery. Man, how nice is that? When one of your batteries dies after a long time, you got a second one to pop right in. And of course, that AC charger plugs right into the wall to charge those batteries up. Right here, we have a little container you can use to grease the chainsaw occasionally. Of course, we have the device itself. How cool is this? Now, we were wondering if that chain we seen in the bag was a bonus chain. And guess what I found out? I took the guard off, and it is a bonus chain. So how cool, there's already one pre-installed. All we got to do is charge that wireless battery. So we'll get that on the charger quick, and then we'll plug it in here when it's done, and we'll be ready to go. Test this thing out together in the video. I'm so excited. And also, so you know, this has a nice chain guard right here that goes over the chain for safety and storage. Also, when you're cutting, this lifts while you're cutting to help protect you. Always exercise caution when using any sort of chainsaw, obviously. I'm excited to go try this out. This is such a nice unit. Let's go. I put the battery on the charger, and I'm just discovering how cool this carrying bag is, or storage bag. It's got a really nice heavy-duty zipper, and we can store everything right inside here and zip it up. So there we go. We got our gloves, our extra battery, the other one's charging, the extra chain. Man, we're going to keep this in good condition. This is going to be my go-to tool all summer long. We're going to test it out here in just a minute. Nice. Due to the snow, I don't got access to a ton of trees, but let's go ahead and demonstrate this by cutting some branches here. Okay, so the trigger's locked unless you press this guard in, or this safety switch in right here, and then pull. Press it, and it cuts right through trees, branches. You can do a full tree with this, so it's very cool. I'll do one more. It's very easy. Thanks for checking this out with me, guys, and yeah, what a nice unit. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.